Yeah, g'day. Just got an overview of the Dometic PGE121 digital inverter generator. 1800 watts continuous, 2100 watts maximum peak. Electric start, full start, backup. General overview. Has a valve on the fuel cap for your on-off, so it can breathe. Manual choke, which I must admit I do prefer over those primer bulbs on cheaper units. Two 15 amp outlets, two 5 volt 2 amp USBs, DC 12 volt 8 amp charging, which cable is supplied for charging batteries, so forth. On-off eco mode, there's your on-off switch. Also has a fuel tap, which I prefer. Parallel capable, although you've got to buy the leads separately apparently. I did try a set of leads from SP Tools generator I have, and they do fit in there, so it's a matter of buying another one and testing if they both work via parallel via them cables. Has ground connection. There's your ready overload, low oil level. I purchased it brand new, $7.49 at Anaconda on sale. It was half price. Brought it home. First thing I done was got rid of the spark plug, because it was a Torch A5 RTC, which I don't like brands I've never heard of. I replaced it with an NGK CR5HIX spark plug. Put some fuel in it. I use Penrite semi-synthetic oil in all my equipment, 10W30. And first pull, fired straight up. Runs beautiful. I just run it for half an hour on my 2 kilowatt air conditioner in my caravan, and it fired straight, no problem. Run that continuously. Didn't actually appear to work that much either. Initial startup it did, but once the air conditioner was going, it just continued, no problem at all. I think for $7.49 it's a no-brainer. Has a lift up suitcase style handle to pull it. There is a bit of play in that handle, but can't expect everything, I guess. Another handle to lift it up. It's got wheels. The wheels are good on concrete, hard packed ground. Not much good on anything else, unfortunately. You can lay it over on its back. There's 4 rubber legs there to lay it over. Just make sure your fuel cap is tight, it will leak otherwise, and your valve is in the off position. I don't know if I'd pay $14.99, which is the going recommended retail, but $7.49, I can't complain. There's a specification sheet on it, on the sticker. 7.5 amps rated, 50 hertz. I have Dometic fridges and they've been really reliable equipment. You will have to connect the battery. It's in that compartment there behind the oil filler door. I'm not sure if it charges the battery while it's running. I'm hoping it does, because that would be a real headache if it doesn't. I'll just turn the fuel cap on, turn the fuel on, switch to start is on, and hit the start switch. You only have to push it in, fired straight up, as you can see. You don't actually have to physically hold the start button in, you just push it and then it does itself. Another feature I like is it has a marker on the fuel tank to indicate how much fuel is left. All in all, I would recommend it for $7.49 at Anaconda. Like I said, I bought it online and they shipped it within 2 days. I live pretty remote out in Queensland. Got to me within 7 days, so can't complain. Anyway, that's my overview of the Dometic PGE121 inverter generator. Thanks for your time.